Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of the 12 Days of Christmas Stories Hop. Today I am featuring another pocket page layout on my December Daily 2016. And if you guys haven't checked out the rest of our videos for all the ladies in the hop, I'll have them linked down below as well as a playlist in case you want to watch all of them. So today I'm doing a 1 photo 2 filler card page layout. And I decided that I should try to do some focuses on some of these projects. And today's focus is actually chipboard. So I'm using a ton of chipboard as the main elements for decorating and embellishing my layout. So I'm starting off with this exact same supplies I left off with yesterday, including this basil paper, which is a Christmassy themed paper. I'm using the red side of it. And I've had this twine sitting in my stash for so long, it's about time I started using more of it. So I did some loops of that, even though I'm unsure of what I'm going to put on this card. But like I mentioned, I knew it was going to be of chipboard origin. So I have some Echo Park and Cartabella chipboard sheets, which I got an amazing deal a couple Christmases ago. And if you guys didn't know, I have a huge sales list on my blog for all the sales that have been coming out during the holiday season. So I'll have that linked down below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. And right now I'm using these chipboard pieces, which I got during one of those sales a while back. So hopefully they're doing that again this year and I'll have it over there. But today I'm doing chipboard and I pulled out these two, which is a set of gifts and then a Christmas tree. And if you guys didn't know or haven't watched the other videos, I don't have exactly a December daily. I'm just working on it as if it was a December daily, but I don't have daily photos for December. It's more like just a pocket page of Christmas stuff, related stuff. Which included like getting the tree, setting up the tree, decorating, which takes place before December, even some gift shopping and cookie decorating. So anything related to the holidays I put in this mini album. This is my first mini album for Christmas. I've done some other layouts in the past, just regular layouts, and I'll even share some other layouts during this series, 12 by 12. So you guys can get a little bit of different types of inspiration. I know a lot of the ladies that are in this hop are doing 12 by 12 and also some other great stuff that you guys have to see. Again, I'll have them linked down below so you can check them all out. And I will like to say that this video is only sped up 2 times, so this whole layout only took me 14 minutes, which is why I really like these for stuff like Christmas, where it's sort of more repetitive memories, but it's just more about the surprise of what gift that you're, or surprise of what sort of change did you do on the tradition this year, sort of stories. So nothing too crazy on these layouts, mostly just photos and embellishments, and I do journaling throughout the album sporadically, not on every page. So that's a little bit different than most people do. A lot of people do journaling on every page, but with this sort of album I don't find it necessary unless I know I have a story attached. So here I pulled out a different Echo Park Paper Co. Chipboard sheet, and this is just 2 ornaments. And again, the tree and the ornaments don't have anything to do with the photo itself. It's me unboxing a sweater that my boyfriend got me, but they are very related to the Christmas season. However, the presents chipboard was very on point with the theme, and you also saw me pull out those tiny round chipboard pieces on the right card, and those are from the same chipboard set. I just thought it'd be a good time to try to pull those out, and I think we often forget about those sort of smaller bits that are on our chipboard sheets, but I highly challenge you guys to do some chipboard on a layout sometime soon. And when you do that, be sure to include some larger chipboard as well. I know we often have hard time using those larger chipboard on our layouts. Specifically, pocket pages are a lot harder because there's a lot of large chipboard pieces on those 12 by 12 sheets. But when you have 6 by 12 sheets like these, it's a little bit more manageable to use those medium-sized pieces as a filler card or next to a title or as your title, especially using those words to integrate into a longer title because we don't need 50 pages that say amazing or love this. So try to incorporate longer titles into your 12 by 12s just so you can use your chipboard in a different way. Instead of just a title that says love, it could say love her smile, love child's name here, something like that. So non-Christmassy tips, but tips nonetheless. I just took a doily here and put it behind the ornaments so it gave it a little bit more of a pop behind that Merry Christmas paper, which is from Pink Fresh Studio. And I'm just going to line those up. And no, they both don't reach the top. And I thought about trying to get a string so they could both reach the top, but I thought this was the best it was going to do. And to finish that off, I'm going to add some Echo Park enamel dots. So red and green specifically ones. Now I do want to do some embellishing on the bottom photo, which will be a little bit off camera, but you'll be able to still see what I'm doing. I'm starting off with some washi tape from Scotch, which has a little bit of a gold tint to it because some of my chipboard has gold accents. And I'm going to put that strip down here at the bottom right, which is something I often do with my photo clustering, if I do any, it's often in the bottom right or bottom left, especially when the photo's on the bottom of the pocket page. So that way the weight's kind of down there and it draws the eye down towards the photo from the filler cards, possibly on the top, or the lighter photos on top. As you can tell, this bottom photo doesn't have a lot going on. I'm holding a sweater that I unwrapped, like I said earlier. I'm just going to add a little green puffy star. These were actually from Target. I don't know if Target had puffy stickers this Christmas, but these are from last year's. And I also am going to use some more of these Recollections puffy stickers, which are the little starbursts, which I just think are such a unique shape, and we don't have that very often. I picked these up last year as well. So I don't think they are available right now, but they might be available something similar nowadays. Not sure about that one. And I think if you're working with chipboard as main components, you do need some other dimensional components as well to compete with them. Otherwise, you just have these very broad pieces that are so thick on your layouts. You might need a little something else, like a smaller puffy sticker or enamel dot or sequins, just something to kind of go with it so it's not super out of the ordinary on the page, unless you want it to really be the focus, which of course is fine. There's so many different styles of scrapbooking. So I'm going to add, I think, one of these recollection stickers, and that's pretty much it for this layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this day of Christmas stories, and be sure to check out everyone that's linked down below. We have different ladies joining us on different days, so you definitely want to make sure to check back every day if there's any new people listed down below. And I do pull out these Tim Holtz, I think they were the called Occasion set, and I think I titled this little section Christmas Presents, which is perfect. But these are my elements for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe in case you aren't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.